In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly submit expenses on Expensify. We'll walk through the full process from opening Expensify all the way to submitting an individual expense for approval. I'll go slowly and explain what you're seeing on screen so you can follow along in your own account. First, open your web browser and go to the Expensify website. Make sure you're signed in with your work or personal account, whichever you use for your reimbursements. If you use multiple accounts, double check that you're in the right one before you go any further, so the expense ends up in the correct place. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation area. At the top or on the side, you'll see several options. Find and click on the tab labeled Reports. This section is where Expensify groups together your expense reports, which are essentially collections of individual expenses that get submitted for approval and reimbursement. Even though we're focusing on a single expense, it helps to start here so you know where everything ultimately lives. After that, switch over to the Expenses view. Look for the Expenses option in the navigation and click it. This page shows all of your individual expenses in a list, usually sorted by date, with the most recent ones at the top. If you don't immediately see the item you're looking for, you can scroll through the list or use the search and filter tools at the top to narrow it down by date, amount, or description. Next, select the specific expense you want to submit. Click directly on that expense line to open its detailed view. Here, you'll usually see information like the merchant name, the date, the amount, the category, and sometimes a receipt image. Take a moment to review these details. Make sure the date is correct, the amount matches your receipt, and the category and any tags follow your company's policy. Fix anything that looks off now because it's much easier to correct before submitting. Once everything looks good, find the Submit button on this expense page. It's typically located near the top right or bottom of the panel. Click on Submit. If your organization uses approval workflows, Expensify will automatically route this expense to the correct approver or attach it to the appropriate report, depending on how your account is configured. After you hit Submit, you should see a confirmation or a status change indicating that